My lady, surely I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind. Is it hiding in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. The waters now so dry, the tears in your eyes. I'll give you all I have. You're the one that I adore. So please believe me, to is kind, nothing's more divine. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. I have been my lady. Let the sun shine to your heart and make a bright new start. Stay with me each night and day to the rest of my life. My love will last forever.
Galing, grabe.
Bagay na bagay po kayo. Bagay na bagay po kayo. Kaya yun po ang kinanta ko dahil bagay na bagay po para sa inyong dalawa. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, grabe. Malapit na matapos yung bahay ni Carla. Asan si Kuya Ronnie? Kuya Ronnie, bigyan ko si Kuya Ronnie. Ang ganda ng boses eh. Kuya Ronnie, oh.